This is a demonstration of the installation of the lockpick. We're in a 2013 Ford Explorer. Lockpick's a simple plug and play. We're going to get into this large connector right here. To unplug it, you're just going to press the little tab in the center of it, move the locking bar that ejects the connector. When you do your installation, you're just going to take the cable and the module itself, push it in behind the screen here. Before plugging in your lockpick module, make sure you have your dip switches set properly. On the COM side, you're going to have 3 and 4 down. On the other side, make sure you have your rotary switch set for 0. Your option switches 1 through 5 are detailed in the instruction manual. You have 2 video inputs on the module itself. This one generally is for a front camera. Here's an aux input. And on the harness itself, it also has one for a rear camera if you're going to add one aftermarket. Now to complete your installation. After the screen's been plugged back in again, it'll go black. It might take up to 30 seconds before it lights up. It'll start with just saying the word sync. It'll say performing scheduled system maintenance underneath it. A graph will expand on the bottom. When the graph gets to the end, it's still going to hang for a few seconds before it actually reboots and restarts with your standard radio screens. This is normal. It can take up to 30 seconds, so be patient. Operating the lockpick is very simple. You're just going to use 2 buttons on your steering wheel. It's going to be the hang-up button and the voice button. The hang-up button is going to activate the video functions. In this case, we have a factory rear view camera, so I'll go ahead and demonstrate that. Just press it, hold it for 3 seconds. You get an audible beep, and it'll switch and show you the factory rear camera. You can also toggle to the other video sources that are activated on your module itself. I'll get connected to the video now. I've put switch 3 down to activate this video input on the box. If you want to activate this one, put 4 down as well. To toggle through the video inputs, we're going to say I've already got the camera activated right now. I'll push the voice button, and on the screen it'll switch over to the video input that we have connected right here. To switch back again, just press this. It'll toggle back and forth between the video sources. To turn it off completely, just press the hang up button again, 3 seconds. You have 2 beeps that you know it's turned off. For your override functions, you're going to use the voice button. Works the same way. Just hold it for 3 seconds. You get a beep that turns on and activates the AV input jacks that are already built into the car. Those will work while you're in motion and while in drive. To turn off the override, same process. Just press and hold the button 3 seconds, and it'll turn the function off. Okay, reassembly is just reverse of the earlier process. And that completes your lockpick installation.